In today's lecture, we will study about the structure or the stratification of community or community stratification. Okay, the communities exhibit a structure or a recognizable pattern in which the members of community are arranged. Okay, and stratification is one of the form or outstanding principle of the community structure. Okay, and this stratification is a result of uneven distribution of the resources or the organism that are distributed unevenly throughout the biotic community. Okay, that will result in a stratification. And the three important factors that results the community stratification. First is the specific tolerance or toleration of an adaptation. Then second is the chemical reaction that is taking place between the byproducts and the stratification. And the third is the other organism that have temporarily or permanently resident as a direct response to the presence of initial resident. Okay, this is the three factors that will result in a stratification of community. Okay, so what is stratification? We have seen that the stratification is a result from the uneven distribution of organism in the community, okay, or resources in the community. But actually, also the stratification is the field of ecology that will refers to the vertical layering of the habitat. Okay, and here the arrangement of the vegetation is carried out in the layers, and it classified the layers of vegetation largely according to the different heights to which their plant grow. Okay, and also the individual layers are occupied by different animals and plant community. This will be termed as a strata zones. Okay, so this stratification is classified into two types: vertical stratification and horizontal stratification. Okay. Okay. So vertical stratification is referred to the vertical distribution of organism in a ecosystem or in a community that will be arranged. In a vertical stratification, what happens? The distribution of organism or the biotic components is carried out in a vertically manner. Okay, and this vertical stratification is found in forest community, grassland community, and the aquatic community. Okay, first we will see the example of forest community. Okay, the forest is formed of 5 layers. Okay, in the picture you can see the forest is formed of 5 layers. The first layer, and this stratification of the forest is carried out mainly on the basis of sunlight. Okay, that is, the sunlight is the main cause behind the development of the vertical stratification. Okay, and in the stratification in a forest community, a forest community shows 5 vertical strata. The first one referred to as a subterranean strata, SUBTERRANEAN, subterranean strata, STRATA. Okay, that is the basal portion which is covered by a litter or debris of a plant as well as the animals. So the subterranean strata is the basal portion which is covered by a litter or the debris of the plants as well as the animals. Okay, the second one, the second strata refers to as a forest floor. This is the second layer which is abundance of litter and this region is the zone of decomposition. Okay, so forest floor is the second layer of the stratification in forest community, and it is abundant with the litter, that is of the humus and all, which provide nutrients to the plants. Okay, and this region is the zone of decomposition. Okay, then third layer, that is the stratum of the herbaceous vegetation. Okay, the third layer is the stratum of herbaceous vegetation. Stratum, stratum, stratum of herbaceous, herbaceous, herbaceous vegetation. Okay, so this forms the third layer, and it is formed by herbaceous plant like grasses, dicotyledons, annuals, okay, and etc. So this layer, that is the stratum of herbaceous, is formed formed by herbaceous plant like grasses. Okay, the fourth one is the stratum of shrubs. Okay, that is the stratum of shrubs forms the fourth layer, and they are located below the crown layer and above the herbaceous layer, and this will be represented by a shrubby life form. So all shrubs will be found in this stratum of the shrubs, okay, which is the fourth layer. And the fifth, the last one layer of the stratification in forest community is stratum of trees. Okay, and in this stratum of trees, topmost layer is called as a crown layer. Okay, in the stratum of tree there is a topmost layer that will refer to as a crown layer, which is represented by highest limit of the plant community in a given region. Okay, so these are the 5 different sub vertical strata found in a forest community. Once again we will revise it. The stratification in forest community composed of or form 5 vertical strata. The first one is the subterranean strata, which forms the basal portion covered by a litter and debris of a plant as well as animals. Okay, then second forms the forest floor, which is the second layer, abundance with litter, and this region is a zone of decomposition. Okay, then third layer or third strata, vertical strata of the forest community is stratum of herbaceous vegetation, which is formed by herbaceous plants like grasses. Okay, followed by this third layer, there is a fourth layer termed as a stratum of shrubs, which are located below the crown layer and above the herbaceous layer. So after the stratum of herbaceous vegetation, there is a stratum of shrub, which represented by a shrubby like forms. Okay, and fifth one and the last vertical strata is the stratum of trees. Okay, this form of topmost layer, and it is also called as a crown layer. Okay, crown. Okay, and which represents the highest limit of a plant community in a given region. Okay, this is about the vertical stratification in a plant forest community. ना रिकॉर्डिंग करताले म्हाका मातसो तुजो बूक गावतलो प्लीज म्हाका आयकवटी काडची हांव घेवन यो म्हाका तुका आतां नासतो ना हांव रिकॉर्ड करता आनी दिता म्हणून
कितना टाइम वाला क्या
10:52 का लेक्चर कितना